Hello, my name is Melissa. This is a journal that I recently created. I wanted to use up a whole bunch of printed digital kits that I had and bits of ephemera that I've created. As you can see, it is a soft cover journal. I used a 9 by 12 envelope, just like this, as the base. I covered it in fabric and crochet and bits of lace. It is a 2 signature journal, and it is about 5 3/4 by 9 inches, and the spine is about 3/4 of an inch. I should have made it a little bit bigger. I underestimated my love of adding ephemera, I guess you want to call it. Seam binding and ribbon for the closure. It is a little bit fiddly if you don't get it right the first time. This is a little pocket here with little bits of ephemera. Little journaling card. Here is also a pocket with some collage and stamping, paper doily. Collage card for journaling. Small pocket. I will list all of the digital kits in my listing for YouTube and in Etsy. This will also be up on Etsy for sale. Small paper clip that will hold open, just a card that I had cut down to make a tuck. Small card, a little tuck spot, another little journaling card. And here is a small belly band with a tag, some pom-pom trim, journaling card, the paper bag that had a adorable little viewing, and I've tucked in just a little note, little journaling spot. And inside here is a card, some collage, tea-stained paper, a little bit of lace, a bingo card, and another journaling card. This is a little flip-out tag, and it's held on with a paper clip, beaded. A little belly band, the stamp, journaling card, fabric flip, and a pocket with another journaling card. This was done with a Martha Stewart punch. Another tag, more tea staining, security envelope pocket with the tag, some collage on there with one of my favorite papers. A flower, another journaling card, index card, some more collage on digital printable, paper doily, and some bead dangles. That's the first signature. The second signature, it's a little envelope turned into a flip, and this book belongs to. Some collage, index card, stained, and just another journaling card. CD envelope, another one of the paper clips. Tuck spot. These are little notebooks that you can take with you. Just a few sheets of paper to write notes on. And it's just paper clipped on. Another journaling card, some collage. Postcard, another journaling card, little tuck spot. Collage, one of the larger index cards. One belly band and a second belly band. Another journaling spot. This is 2 envelopes put together, and there's a little tuck spot here, and a little tiny tuck spot there. Little tiny tickets, and each section has a journaling card that I've collaged. Lots of journaling space here in the center of the second signature. Another little tuck spot and journaling card. Here's a little dangle and a flip tag. More tea stained paper, journaling card, another one of those little books, and just an image for journaling on. Belly band went through the entire signature. Tuck spot, journaling card, a couple more journaling cards, and this is a cupcake wrapper and a doily, and just makes a little decoration, handmade by myself. My Etsy and Facebook at Studio MAB, and my Instagram. Little journaling spot, tuck, and a tiny little and that's the end of the second signature. And we have another pocket on the back, journaling card, and another piece of that pretty paper. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed.